Okay guys, so today I'm going to be replacing the bug deflector on the front of my 08 Silverado. As you guys can see, it got busted. And funny story, it actually got broke driving through Albuquerque at night, amazingly. A bunch of birds flew out from the side of the highway and I hit like 4 or 5 of them at one time, and I'm pretty sure that's what broke it, because right after that I saw it was broken. So anyhow, I'm going to replace it with this hood protector Bugflector 2 by a company called AVS. It's not nearly as expensive as a WeatherTech or anything like that. So first things first, I'm going to unbox it. Well, there's the bug deflector. It's about the same size as the one that's on it. Well wrapped in plastic. And I'm assuming, nope, nothing else in there. Yeah, it looks like all the hardware and instructions are all in this one little package inside. Set the instructions over there. And it just comes with some Phillips fine thread screws, some washers, and some expander rubber snubber thingamajiggers, whatever you want to call them. Let's see. Also bolted on with just some screws. Bug deflector is removed. Actually didn't mess the truck up too bad in the front. Where was that? The old one was obviously factory because it actually used factory holes. Or maybe those are Zerk screws, I'm not sure. Never know, maybe this one will actually connect to those. It's going to use all the same Zerk screws I had before. That's awesome. So I won't have to use those expanded screws that came with it. And I'm not going to, because these are way better. Just need a couple more washers. Those aren't very big. I'm going to find some washers in the garage. Got a couple more washers. Down. Alright. Sweet. Looks like almost exactly the same thing I had. But at least it's not broken. And now I can take it to the car wash and they won't keep pointing at it every time the car wash guy washes it. And it doesn't look like crap. But anyhow, looks good. Has a nice flow with the body line this way. Actually, it seems like it comes out a little bit farther this way, which will be nice. And it has a small upturn lip, which will help deflect bugs off the windshield farther up, because it'll make an updraft on the hood. And it'll definitely protect against rocks and everything else. So, all good. But anyhow, let's go take it to the car wash and see if they break it. Because they did say that it was car wash safe, so we'll see. Okay guys, another note to make about this bug deflector is it doesn't affect your field of view whatsoever. I can't see it at all over the hood. So it doesn't affect your field of view whatsoever. I don't know if you guys can see that okay, but yeah. I can't even see the bug deflector from where I'm at back here. So as far as field of view and vision, it doesn't affect anything whatsoever. That's nice. But anyhow, we're gonna go to the car wash and make sure this thing is actually car washer safe. Alright, at the car wash. Sweetheart, I asked her for a new air freshener, which we get free every time. She gave me 3 of them. What a sweetheart. At the car wash. And see how it comes out. Tires are pushed out. Let's go dry this thing off. Cannot leave this thing without burning out just a little bit. Like I said, it soaks the tires pretty good. Yep, my truck's really loud. But 6-0. And there's a fucking cop and another cop. Game wardens. They got better things to do than give out speeding tickets, I hope. Yeah, they're not turning around. Phew! That was close. Doing like 70 in a 45. That wasn't good. But anyhow, I mean, I'm somewhere in Mexico, so yeah. Well, I'll edit that out. But anyhow, we're gonna go drive this thing down the highway for a little bit, dry it off. Once I get back to the house, I'll do my final thoughts on it and show you the aftermath. See if the bug deflector's in multiple pieces or it's all good. Alright, well, back from the car wash and still intact. Looks good, works good. I'm happy with it. Had like one of them little sticker decal things right here. Well, it stripped that off first time around, but it still has a little logo, so who cares? Didn't get it for the logo, but anyhow, looks good to me. Fits good, bolts up good. I mean, those little rubber zert deals that it comes with would have been fine if my truck hadn't already had the metal permanent zerts installed. I would have just used those, but since I already had them, no reason to do it. So anyhow, that's my review on the Bug Deflector 2. Definitely would recommend it for the price. It does really, really well. Bolts up, looks good, fits good. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. Well, that's all from Wolf Mountain Customs. This is SoCal Sniper signing off. See you next time.